Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Tuesday, June 20th, 2023. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. You'll notice right here the ES currently trending higher within a very intense bullish trend here. Not much in the way of pullbacks. We've had minor one-day pullbacks, little sideways flow, some upside price action, and pullbacks have been within range and also have yet to even pull back deep enough to test the 8-period rising average there. So again, even this little bit of pullback here could be enough for price to just bounce right back and continue to probe higher until proven otherwise. So on these pullbacks right now, consider them short-term. Until proven otherwise. These pullbacks could provide another opportunity for a buy the dip for a continuation, perhaps to the upside, toward the 4,600 level up above. So again, this market remains quite bullish, and fading into this strength right now has not worked out. So again, you got to be careful fading into this strength at the moment. So right now, bulls will be looking to defend pullbacks. You want to find a strong enough low to work off of in that instance. If we take a look here at the NQ, you'll notice right now the NQ seeing similar price action, very bullish trend. Again, pullbacks have been within range, and the pullbacks have been limited in how deep they've been. A little bit of a pullback here into the 8-period average, same thing here, each rotation coming out. 8-period average right now, 15,043s. A pullback into that zone again. 15K retest could be a pop to the upside. Do we get a pullback that deep? We'll see. Again, right now, any pullbacks could be a buying opportunity for another multi-day rotation to the upside until proven otherwise. Taking a look here at crude oil. Crude oil right now down about 1% at the moment. A little bit of a pullback here. Again, something to keep in mind with crude oil is it has had limited ability to rally and maintain those gains before a heavy rotation to the downside occurs. Every time we've seen price move to the upside, it's been hit with a very quick move to the downside. Hit up here, very aggressive. This was probably the best rally of the last year and still got sent back to new lows. A little bit of a bounce here, rotation, rotation, rotation. So again, this market has been unable to maintain strength and instead has rotated back to lows very, very quickly. So on this right edge over here, you have kind of a rounded behavior that's developing after weakness. You still have the trading range from 67 up to about 74s, and we could still see a little bit of back and forth in here, but ultimately, do we put pressure on support and push to new lows yet again? Through 67 could open up quite a bit of weakness to the downside as this market continues to try and find a strong low to work off of. Let's take a look here at gold futures. Right now, gold continues to remain within range as well. Very strong rejection here on this low, and price bounces back to 1980, but has not really pushed beyond that just yet. We're seeing price continue to maintain within a downward flow here, and any failure to hold above the midpoint of that rejection day right here on a daily closing basis, that level is 1954 half. If it fails to hold that on a daily closing basis, that could be an indication a break is coming. So right now, 1940 to 2000 still is a very, very good range. We could see further price action within this range back and forth, but eventually a breakout will carry us to the next major edge. Is it going to be to the upside? Do we fail here at 1940? A failure at 1940 would be significant, kind of a rounded edge, and would open up 1800 to 1830 down below. So continuing to watch that right now as it develops within this range. And lastly, taking a look here at the YM. The YM right now, you'll notice, has been quite bullish. This thing has rotated here to the upside and hit a new high here at 34,888, just shy of 35K. That is the highest highs of the year so far, and we are up at the upper end of resistance here over the last year. This market has been mostly range bound here we've had stretches of strength, and right now we are currently in one of those stretches of strength. You have the 34,500 level here, which has been clear resistance, and right now price testing that level from above. Again, as bullish as this market has been, it's hard to look to sell into this strength at the moment without tremendous rejections to work from. And we just haven't seen that. Instead, we've seen aggressive squeezes after pullbacks. This market's been quite bullish at the moment. So again, kind of like the other markets here, if this pullback starts to show some strong lows, as maybe it already has, that could be an opportunity here for a swing continuation to the upside. Last thing here, we have Fed Chair Powell due to testify Wednesday and Thursday, back-to-back days. That could provide additional volatility here later on in the week. 9 a.m. Central, both Wednesday and Thursday, Fed Chair Powell testifying, which could move the needle in the market. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the week. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.